Yesterday, I texted Gloria and was like, hey girl, the ticket to Paris, the flight ticket to Paris is super cheap, so you wanna go? And she's like, yeah. So here we are the next day.
About to buy our tickets and then also figure out hotel where we're staying and all of that. And yeah.
This is the most spontaneous thing I've ever done in my life.
Let's make some fast.
Okay, Monday 30th from IAD to Paris ORY, correct? Leaving at 10:35 p.m., getting there at 4:50 p.m., right? 1, 2, 3. I have a beret that I can bring to Paris because my boyfriend bought it for me when we were in Montreal. And tell me why, we have like 22 days left until our trip and I already have all my outfits together. Bonjour from Paris. Literally our first full day. We're getting ready to go to the cafe to get some coffee and maybe hot chocolate. And then heading to Louvre today. We're here at the station. We took the wrong way, so we had to buy another ticket. And now the train is here. We are here at Cafe Carousel. Oh, gift crate. Oh my god. Wow. Vanilla latte. And guess what she got? An orange juice. Very good. You see the Eiffel Tower right there, and then over there you would see Louvre right there. It's covered by a little bit, but Louvre is right there, and we're gonna walk there. Made it to Louvre, inside of it. We're currently on a hunt for Mona Lisa. We've been lost for like, I think 40 minutes. But we're almost there. We can feel it, right? Yeah. She's right there. She's so far away from us. This is the reality. Guys, we see the Eiffel Tower. Beautiful.
the tickets to the Ark.
We're going up the stairs of the Ark, and this is really dizzy. I'll show you guys the other side. No, we need to catch the sunset. You got this, Gloria. Out of shape, Glow. Let's go. More stairs. Made it. Whoa, we made it. So dark, but we got crepes, so we're gonna do a taste test. We got banana and Nutella. We got the last bits of banana.
It's really good.
Very good.
We just got on a boat and we're about to do a bus tour.
You got on a boat. You're doing a bus tour. We're on a cruise. We're doing a cruise tour, a sightseeing for 1 hour. Don't listen to Gloria.
Okay.
Yeah.
Guys, the Eiffel Tower just started lighting up.
À l'aide des flèches que vous trouvez à côté du petit écran derrière vous. Sur le plan supérieur, le commentaire est disponible dans vos smartphones en vous connectant au réseau Wi-Fi. Continuez.
You're gonna protect me.
Shoot. No.
Well, like, are you gonna flake on me or something? Like, what is going on?
I'm
trying to find a nail glue right now. We finally found the elevator.
Wait, I have to press a button.
Oh, hold on. And we can't find this elevator. 4th floor. Okay. Is it good? Yeah? Do you need a key?
Huh?
Wait, what?